Hello Reynolds members. Today's Employee Appreciation Fund video is going to feature the wonderful people at Marinas Services and how they want to make your experience on the lake a pleasurable and enjoyable one. Whether you boat, fish, ski, or just take a pleasant stroll up and down the lake in your boat, they want to make sure that you have a great and wonderful time from the time you call to get your boat in the water to the time you get off. They want to do a wonderful job for you. I'm here today with Brian Baker, the head of Marina Services. Brian, glad to see you today, and tell us about what you do at Marina Services.
Our biggest goal is to get everybody out on the water and have a good time. Whether when you call up the store clerk to have your boat launched, she relays that to, or he relays that to one of our forklift drivers that then puts it in the water, and if we see anything wrong, we have a slew of mechanics that can get you squared away and ready to go on a great day in the water. That's just a little bit of what we have. 30 employees full-time. We ramp that up, almost double that in the summer to make sure we get everybody taken care of.
How many boats you have?
Oh, a little over 700 boats.
700?
Yes, sir.
It's a lot
Between
of
4
boats.
marinas.
Well, I know that I, as a Board of Advisor member at large, appreciate the work that y'all do, that you do to take care of all the boaters at Reynolds and to make that experience such a pleasure for all of them.
Well, we love doing it, and we love seeing everybody have a good time out on Lake Oconee.
People of Reynolds, Lake Oconee, when you come to get your boat, take it out on the lake for a great day of water sports and bring it back, we want you to know that that pleasurable experience happens because of the great people here at Marina Services, of which we have a few here today. Thank you so much for all you do. Brian, thank you so much for all y'all do at Marina Services. And thank you,
Reynolds!